All right. Well, what are you thinking? Where do you think we go today?
I just gotta see what happens off of open beyond this, but for reaction out of the long, see what this fair value gap does on the 15.
Uh, oh, wait, I'll be looking at the same thing actually. Dude, I was looking at gold yesterday, like GC. Bro, what the fuck? Because I was like practicing on that shit. I went on like one contract, bro. That shit, I might use that to pass my evals next time, bro. Deadass. That shit moves. One contract is like a couple $100, bro, with like $1 movement or something. I was like, what the fuck is going on, bro? Yo, what's up, Mizu? What up, Fugas? Yo, yo, yo. All right, here's market open. We're just gonna shoot straight up. I didn't get any single read right there, so I didn't get in that. Yo, yo. Yeah, we're just gonna shoot straight up. You got news today? Oh yeah, PMI at 10. Oh, my
What the?
camera's frozen. Yo, what up, Zabra? Yo, yo, yo. My camera's frozen. Give me a second. All right. Well, how many points did we just shoot up? Dude, wait. This is 100 points. What the fuck? Alright, we got hella movement today, I guess. What the fuck? Yeah, we're probably gonna shoot for this Asia high right here, and then from there, we'll see. I'll see what we do off this Asia high. If we continue higher, obviously I'd probably be bullish. We have this low resistance liquidity right here, but if we start selling off, I'm gonna be short. I'll probably wait to see maybe if we like close below here. Inversion. If we close below here, I'll probably be bearish. Holy shit! Wait, we just shot up 130 points. What the fuck? Yo, did you get in on that or what is it?
Yeah, I got filled on that candle pretty much just now. Like,
Oh.
ridiculous move off open.
What? All of last week we never did this shit, bro. All of a sudden today we gonna shoot up 100 fucking points off open in one candle. You know, I like to see that though. You know, that's cool. I like that. Patient here, buddy. Yeah.
Hey,
I don't see
it's
no
February 2nd, bro. Maybe January shitty PA is over, bro. We can only hope.
Maybe, I don't know. It might be just all of Q1, bro. I don't fucking know. Hey, how much you bake on that, bro?
About 400.
Go. Let's go. Oh shit, I forgot to pull up my trade of 8. That's what I was missing. I was trying to figure out what I was missing, bro. I was like, what? I usually have all my tabs open on my first screen and then my second screen, and I forgot what my second screen had. I was like trying to think this entire time. I was like, oh, I'm missing trade of 8. All right. Yeah. I don't see no entry not yet. I mean, current there's a little bit of an SMT at the moment with Asia, or sorry, NQES, right? So now ES did not take this high, NQ did. I'll probably wait to see if we continue being bearish, and then maybe go short. I'll probably have to wait until we close below like 540 though. I don't know if I like that. Don't really see anything. I don't really see anything. Like, or we like react off this inversion or this fair value gap, but I don't. If we like shoot all the way down here, I would honestly just expect us to be bearish. Sure. Think we could buy a lot? Maybe. I mean, let me check the higher time frame real quick. I mean, the higher time frame kind of like looks pretty good for longs. The 4 hours pretty bullish, I guess, at the moment. We want to resweep that open high, to be honest. Really, I kind of like this high, like being this wick already though. Like that's a pretty clean wick, but yeah, we honestly might just kind of go higher here. The reason being is ES still didn't take it, so like obviously there's an SMT, but like we could always go and finish off the job on ES, right? ES is still kind of a magnet towards this Asia high, and I guess that's what we're gonna do, because look at this. My friend bought Lucid with your code, broski. Hey, thank you, Fugas. Thank you, and thank for your friend. Thank you for you. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, dude. What the fuck is this PA, bro? Holy shit. I like it, but like, what the hell? Damn. We're just gonna keep shooting up, bro. Hey, Fugas, how you liking Lucid so far? Or I guess you and your friend. Honestly, I fucking think they're a nice solid firm. I don't know why I didn't make a video on them way earlier, bro. Holy shit. Okay, you know what? I think we're just gonna be bullish, guys. Hey, thank you, Zabra. Like 6 minutes ago. Thank you, bro. Appreciate it. So yeah, 65 bucks for a eval, no activation fee is a steal, and you probably get 5 uses of those. So I still don't get to try it yet. Go and wait until March CPI and buy it. Nice. That sounds like a solid plan. Yeah, I still think we go longer, or we go buy longs here. We have a lot of low resistance liquidity to take out still, so you know, I guess longs still don't look bad. I'll just be a bit careful still because of ES. Now ES took this high. Obviously, there's no longer an SMT, but maybe if we do decide to be bearish now, this will be the time. Kenji, what the rules on Lucid? Here, we can quickly go over it if you want. I guess the only thing, there's not really too many strict rules. Kind of just depends on the account you go with. So it's very dependent on the account you go with. So here, the account that both I recommend in my video is going to be the Lucid Black and the Lucid Flex. I would say go with the Lucid Flex because now you could get an account for $65. So this account, if you use my code and you guys are a new customer, you guys get 50% off. So this will come down to $65 total. Profit target's gonna be 3K, $2,000 end of day drawdown, 50% consistency, so you guys can pass the eval in 2 days, and you guys get access to 4 minis. And to get a payout, you need 5 winning days, $150, and yeah, that's pretty much it. 5 winning days of $150, and I believe you can request 50% of your profits is here. But it is 90% split, so that's a little bit better than 80% profit split and the 50% profit split. Or 50% withdrawal. Yeah, go ahead, do your research, check them out. I do have a video on it if you want to check it out, so yeah. Okay, so it's definitely, I would say, a lot easier for me to be bearish now if we close below like 640. If not, and we kind of bounce off these fair value gaps, then I'll probably be bullish again. Yeah, so 2 scenarios right now. Yo, what up, Mouse? Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Alright, I guess we still got news in 20 minutes, so be chilling. I would like to see ideally a sell-off, but we might be pretty bullish for that, so I still haven't gotten in a single trade yet, so I'm just chilling. Haven't found anything. Alright, give me a second. I'm gonna get some water. Oh, wait, where's my water bottle? Fuck. Oh, it's right here. Honestly, if we close strong right here, I might give it a stab long. Like a nice candle closure. That's a decent candle, I'm not gonna lie, but let me see. I'm thinking about it. If we flip back bullish, because like the reason actually no, I'll skip out on it. I was gonna say the reason I kind of liked it was because there's probably gonna be a defined stop. Like my stop would have probably been right here, and I would have obviously tried to held, but yeah, pretty bearish reaction off that, so I'll skip out. I'll skip out on it. Pretty close to this high on the 15-minute. Let's see. Yeah, we're pretty close to this swing high, huh? We might be just trying to go for that. Because for me, I want a deeper retrace, like maybe like closer to like 674 potentially before I enter long. Like I just prefer that. I want something like a little bit cheaper, but obviously we might just take off right here. Yeah, so this was like the trade idea. I just didn't like this kind of bottom wick. I would have liked to see a full candle closure like this one. So obviously if we close right here, like if we kind of just hang around this 720 area, I might enter and give it a stab, but the RR is not great, so obviously I don't know if I'll enter it still, but it could work. I could have entered down here, but I didn't like the risk to reward, or sorry, I didn't like the candle closure, so I skipped out on it. But this probably would have been the trade somewhat, something like this, right? Because I had clear defined stops. Maybe I could have put a stop like right here in case we dig deeper down here. Then I could have entered down here, but yeah, we'll see. I want a deeper retrace right here. Now, obviously, I kind of want a resweep of maybe this low. So we kind of go down here, resweep something like this, and then hopefully an inversion right here. That would be nice. I would love something like that, but I don't know if he could get that. PMI still at 10. Price is waiting for news, probably. just based on this initial move, I think this red folder news might be a pretty big obvious. Like, I think PMI is not really, it's like a smaller red folder news. Like, you don't get crazy movement. This is PMI, not PPI, right? Yeah, so PMI is not a big red folder news event. It will move the market, but based on how this one printed, like how we printed off open, this could be like a 70 80 point off rip candle event. So I wouldn't be surprised if that happened. Maybe potentially like 100, which is, I haven't seen PMI move 100 points in so long, bro. So I think the only ones that could do that is like CPI, FOMC, PPI, stuff like that. Still nothing. I haven't found a single entry, bro. We're patient. Let's check out what gold is doing. Actually, I'm kind of curious about gold still. I want to know what gold is all about, bro. How is this? Jeez. Yeah, cause like if I were to buy one contract in gold, like look at the price movement on this, bro. I hate how paper trading on and TradingView is so delayed, bro. Like, why is that a thing, bro? I'll show you guys real quick. I was just trying it out yesterday, bro, just to see, and holy shit, the movement on this is crazy. You'd have to go like one, but then gold futures one contract is like fucking 10x the normal NQ contract. This shit's ridiculous, bro. Can my shit buy, bro? Like, what is this? What is this? Oh my god, this is lame, bro. It's not gonna even buy, bro. Okay, whatever. Delayed as fuck, bro. Alright. This honestly just looks like a slow grind, bro. Looks just like a slow potential grind. Oh, there we go. Okay, so my thing finally fucking worked. GC. Look at this is one contract, by the way. Look at, we're already up $230, bro, and there's like no movement. $90, 120, 30 bucks. I'm like, you could be down hella or you could be up hella, bro. Look at I'm already, this is 1.1 movement. Oh my god, dude, holy shit. Look at the stop loss on this shit. A 10-point stop loss on a 10-point stop loss on gold is fucking 1,000 bucks, bro. Holy shit. I might have to check it out to pass evals next time, bro. I honestly might have to try a future or gold out just to see. Holy shit. Can I, dude, I can't even exit out on paper, bro. Look how ass the paper trading is on TradingView, bro. What is this? That's so ass, bro. What the fuck? And then NQ is just gonna shoot up still, bro. This is no entry, bro. Can't get in. Our next target is gonna be 781, bro. 781. I have no entry. What might stop beyond this? Hey, but you guys see, like, this was the trade idea right here. Like, it could have worked, honestly. Stop loss down here, right? we would have been up potentially a 1.5 hour right now if I held, but that's a big what if. That's a big what if. I still, so not much I could do. Honestly, I'll just wait until post PMI and see what happens. Bro, we're just gonna shoot straight up. This is great, but this is not great for me, bro. I didn't get in a single fucking entry, bro. Fuck. Alright, we took that high. Let's see, we go for this one next. Yep, so we just took that one too. Holy shit. The next swing high, maybe this one and this one. God damn. Yo, did anyone get in on this or what? Did any of you guys enter this long? I didn't get in. I didn't get in, bro. Unfortunately. Alright. This is like another inversion that I see, bro. Just being patient. Yeah, this is a crazy move, bro. This entire move, no retrace down. There's literally no retrace besides for maybe this like little area right here. This is just straight chop, bro. We've already pushed 270 points. But at least now we have a clear stop. What do you call it? A clear inversion. This is like the most clear inversion that I've seen right now. So if we get it, I would like that. Like I said, if we bounce off it still, potential long still. 8 minutes till news, so that's just nothing to do. Yeah, like a nice candle closure below, I would probably like to go short. We could still be bullish. What might stop be on this? 5 minutes to lose. Do something. ES about to inverse it. ES is about to drop. Okay, so ES closed below. Three minutes to lose. What do I think the news is gonna do? I really don't know. What up, Vo? Does emotions completely disappear after profitability? No, it never disappears. That's something that you will always have to deal with as a trader for the rest of your life, even if you're a gazillionaire, bro. That shit will never disappear. And that's just simply how, you know, that's just how trading is. But like, you gotta constantly be on your A game, making sure that you're doing everything you need to be doing, and don't get complacent, right? Complacency will kill a trader. Honestly, I'll give it a stab short just to see. I know it's pretty close to news, but I would rather give it a try. I don't want to miss out on this trade. So we'll just see what happens. Zabra, yes, still has 2 eyes to take. Yeah, but like we already had like nice sweeps of other liquidity already. I would say that's kind of why this is an okay trade. Plus ES kind of took this high out already, so. Okay, so there's the entry. Honestly, wait for a flip though, I would say. Like, wait for this candle to flip back bearish. Candle needs to flip back bearish right now. Immediately. But back bearish, please. We rip it higher, maybe. I just need us to close below back or flip back below this inversion right here, this candle closure right here. Maybe sweep this internal low at 680. That's kind of what I'm thinking right now. I didn't enter yet. I'm still waiting for this flip. Okay, we're not gonna get it. So, I guess we're not gonna rip lower. Just gonna do some buffoonery up here, I guess. There's no clear entry long for me now either, though. Holy shit, we're just gonna be ripping today, guys. What the fuck? I can't get in an entry, bro. Okay, I guess we're bouncing off this 5-minute. That's probably why. Kind of holding this 5-minute right here. Confirmation candle at this. Dude, this would have been a great long, but I was too late. I wanted shorts, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I wanted shorts. Bo, are you interested? Yeah, dude, I'm gonna have to buy your course for $300, bro. This is like, yeah, it's not the greatest PA. It's like good PA, but at the same time, it's not good PA because like you don't get an entry, right? You don't really get any proper opportunity to enter. Like, so if you miss like any sort of entry, then you just don't get in the trade. So I didn't get in anything, unfortunately. I like this inversion, and I was gonna give it a stab short. I waited. We closed nice strong here, but then the next candle immediately flipped back up, which I did not like. Now we're just sitting here. Holy shit. Like, I don't think I'll get a trade in today, guys. I'm gonna be honest. We're just gonna shoot higher, bro. I don't want to press the buy button either. The Asia high, last week's swing high from Asia on Thursday. So we are really bullish. We are super bullish today. I'm starting over at one account right now, Bo. I blew all my previous Apex accounts, unfortunately, that I was gonna secure a 20k payout on. So I'm starting over. Cause like how I scale on prop firms is pretty simple. I go from one account, I get a payout with one account, and then I go to 3, and then I go to 5 accounts, and then 10 accounts. So I've gone, this is how I scale on prop firms, is I start out, this is how I keep my costs low and try to maximize my payouts, right? So I have to get a payout with every single account, and then I can scale up, right? And then if I fail that, then I go reverse back to what I previously had, right? All the way back to one account. The goal was 20 accounts, but I kind of fucked it up, so yeah. We don't talk about it, though. I think December was probably my best month. If I had like 10 accounts, that shit, I probably would have made like, you use TradeSinger? I did use it when I was on vacation. Yeah, I really liked it. It was pretty nice. So I used that when I was on vacation. When I went to a different state. Yeah, it was pretty nice. I was trading at the airport and shit. It was pretty funny. And then, yeah, dude, all of December, I don't think I had a losing day. Like, I traded every day of December for the most part, besides obviously the holidays. I think, oh fuck, I don't have a screenshot anymore. It might be on my Twitter somewhat. Oh, that's not what I meant. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, it was this. So I was trading funding ticks before, obviously they went down. But like I traded like every other day as well. So like the 29th and the 30th, I don't think I lost, bro. But like this obviously I wasn't streaming and stuff, right? I was just kind of chilling, just trying to trade normally, not trading normally, but just chilling, not really trying too hard, right? Because you see, this is what like I was previously, this was after I'd blown all my Apex accounts, unfortunately. But like I got like 3 or 4 payouts with this one account, and I was just like chilling, because it's during the holidays. You don't want to like put on too heavy size or too heavy risk, right? Because it's the holidays. You don't know how price is gonna move, and plus I was spending a ton of time with my family. I didn't really want to have to deal with the emotional aspects of trading, so I just put on a trade and see what happens, and then obviously it just kept winning, so I was like, oh, okay, whatever. But I'd hop off for the day, so I don't really care. But now that Q1 has started, bro, and it's kind of like January, February, March area, we're just kind of slow. I mean, we weren't slow today, but like I couldn't get an entry, bro. Like we've pumped 300 points and I haven't found a single entry. Like sure you could have slapped long like anywhere in here and probably made money, but I don't like some of the risk, cuz like what if I enter, right? What if I enter and then you get like a candle that goes all the way down right here? Like pretty much like what happened right here, right? You just go sell off for a little bit. I don't want to be caught on the wrong side when that happens. All right, yeah, we're just gonna pump for the fucking rest of the day, I guess. So I'm gonna hop off. I'm not gonna get a trade in, I don't think. I'll probably take a trade off stream, if anything, during the PM session. If I could find it. If I do, I'll let you guys know. But so far, it looks like we're to push towards that 860 level, and then from there, do I see us going for 940, bro? If we push for 940, that will be ridiculous. That will be like a 400 point play in one day, which is honestly not that uncommon nowadays, ever since like Trump took office. But as of recent, that will be pretty difficult to do. So I'm kind of just eyeing this 860 level, and if we really do not sell off from here, then potentially we would just go all the way to these highs, I guess. But I don't think I can get a trade in, guys. Dude, I really wanted to go short here, bro. This was honestly maybe an A minus setup, A plus setup. This would have been my trade. Obviously, the only negative thing I would say was what I believe Fugas was mentioning. Was it Fugas? Yeah. Fugas said it was really close to the red folder news, right? Honestly, I didn't mind it too much, to be honest. I felt like if I could have gotten in right here, right? And maybe it was to push a little bit further before the news opened, right? I could have gone break even immediately, and then if it was a winner, like just let it ride, right? But yeah, this PA is ass, bro. I can't. Look at, okay, so now we hit 860. Now we hit 860. Do we have enough steam to go all the way up to 940? I don't know. But that is kind of the answer that we have right now, is we're just pushing, bro. So yeah, like I said, I would have liked this entry. The reason I didn't enter was the next candle immediately flipped back bullish. Why did we kind of start flipping back bullish right here? Well, the 5 minute. We have pretty clean 5 minute. Overall time frame, overall higher time frame, overall lower time frame is bullish. So this candle was kind of disgusting. You guys could have probably caught this move right here. Stop loss below this low and just try to hold. Dude, imagine we get in on this, a 6R trade. Holy shit, what the fuck. But yeah, this wick itself, the PMI. See, I was literally saying, the PMI is not a big red folder news event. It's some ass red. I wouldn't even consider it fucking red folder news, I'm gonna be honest. But yeah, there it is. And we just kind of shoot all the way to the moon. So now we're pushing even more towards this 940 level, and I don't want to participate. So that is it for me. Thank you guys for tuning in for the live stream. We'll be live pretty much all of this week. If not, I'll let you guys know the morning of. Like, you guys can always check my Discord in case I'm not live, in case I'm doing something else, or I have something that comes up. But you guys could check out right here if I'm live or not on the Discord. Check the scheduled tab. If I'm not live that morning, you'll probably know why. But yeah, this PA is booty cheeks. Make sure you guys use code MONK on Lucid. Get an account for $65 and Alpha right now. Dude, Apex removed my code because no one was using it, so I have to re-ask them to open it back up. So I have to ask them again. But yeah, appreciate you guys. Thank you guys for checking out the stream. I will probably make a new video today. The video today is probably gonna be the Lucid explained video, like where I go over all the rules, like the nuances and stuff. But yeah, see y'all later. Peace. Enjoy it.